Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this easy butterfly knife. This is inspired by Emmett's video of you. I hope you hit 10,000 subscribers. Mine is semi butterfly knife. Mine doesn't open like Emmett's, like a real butterfly knife doesn't open that way. It opens that way, like a treadmill. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make this. Okay, so first you're going to need 3 of these 11 by things. Then you're going to need 3 of these clear pieces, or whatever, slim pieces if you want the blade to look cool. Then you're going to need 1 of these. We're going to stick the short end in that piece, stick on the blade next, stick on the other piece. Then, if you want a second blade on yours, all you do, wait, where is it? Grab this, stick it right in there, stick this, in there. Okay, let me try this again. Guys, I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, look at this. Then you just want to fold this thing over the piece like this. Now you can actually catch it, but it doesn't open like that anymore. It just like stuck. And look guys, you have a cool blade when you go up with it. And yeah, basically that's how you do it. And here, you have a nice little fake butterfly knife that you can flick up. And it'll be perfect for throwing it up and catching it. And we're going to be doing giveaways soon. By things signed by me. And always stay rockin', stay cool, Riley.